So, the session was titled Let Go of Your Emotions in 10 Minutes. And you must be thinking, this girl must be mad to say that you can let go of your emotions in just 10 minutes. I have been having an issue with my mother-in-law for the last 10 years, and she's telling me I can let go of my emotions for her in just 10 minutes. Or I have been having an issue looking after my kids for the last 5 years, and she tells me I can let go of my emotions in just 10 minutes. She must be crazy. Well, after this session, I'm sure you're going to regret saying that and say to yourself, well, maybe she's not so crazy. Okay, so we're going to be learning about the emotional freedom technique, which is commonly known as tapping. Hi Swati, it's amazing that you're tuning in from Netherlands. That means we have international energy exchange happening here as well. This is such a beautiful feeling, and I'm so grateful to the internet for connecting us across the borders. So welcome Swati. Alright, so what is emotional freedom technique? Okay, it is a healing therapy, and that you can apply for yourself, and you don't need any training for it or any tools or anything as such. All you need is yourself and your emotions. You just need to be really present in the moment to practice this technique. Alright? Now I'm going to talk a little bit about the origin. So EFT has been derived by a psychologist called Roger Calhoun, okay? And he came up with this idea from the Chinese traditional medicine, okay? That's where he got this idea from. And you must be familiar with the acupuncture and acupressure points that exist in Chinese medicine. It's an alternative form of healing and therapy, okay? And a very similar theme is used even in EFT that we're going to be learning today, and that is the various points in our body are going to be tapped by us, alright, and these are known as meridian points, alright. They're known as meridian points. There are various points in our body, more than 100, that's according to the Chinese medicine, but in tapping we're only going to be tapping on 9 of those points, just 9 of those points, alright. So why does tapping work? Okay, now what is this tapping and why does it work? Okay, so it's said to work because of this small organ in the brain called amygdala, okay. It exists in our brain, and it is the organ which is responsible for releasing stress hormones. So जब भी हमें स्ट्रेस होता है तभी एक हार्मोन रिलीज होता है बॉडी में, ठीक है, बहुत स्ट्रेस लेते हैं तभी, तो ये अमिगडाला जो है वो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है वो हार्मोन क्रिएट करने के लिए, ओके. And there was a research which was conducted in Harvard Medical School, not just any random school, and that said that because of tapping you could actually reduce the stress in your body by 50%. You can Google it. I am not kidding. Yes. So I was amazed when I found out this fact. It was amazing. Now I'm going to introduce you to the 9 meridian points which we will be using while tapping. The first point is the karate chop point, which is located right here if you can see your hand. Okay, it's the karate chop point, and you would take your 4 fingers and you would tap. So I wanted to start and point out to me the karate chop point. Okay, the next one is the eyebrow point. Then you have the side of the eye right here, under the eye, the chin, under the nose, your collarbone. So your collarbone is going to be right here in the beginning of your collarbone, okay. Underarm, it's about 4 inches under your underarm and the top of your head. Okay, so those were our 9 meridian points. Thank you so much for the positive comments. Likewise, you guys spreading a lot of positive and loving energy to you wherever you are located. I am so happy that you have joined us for this amazing session. Okay, let's move on to how to tap. Ladies and everyone who's joined us, number one thing, go and wash your hands before you start tapping. Okay, I don't want any germs from your hands to get onto your face. We all put in a lot of effort to look after our face. So let's go wash our hands. Let's go sanitize them, wash them, and come right back. I'm waiting for you before we start with the tapping process. Okay, if you've been cutting vegetables, if you've been listening to me while working, feeding your kids, teaching your kids, or maybe doing something else, I request you to put it all down because we're going to enter the tapping session right now. If you've washed your hands and you're present with me, let's dive right into the session. Okay, the tapping, we will be getting to that, Neeta, how many times you will have to do it. It is going to be 5 to 7 times at each point. Okay, I will be getting into that soon. First, we're going to identify the problem. Okay, so I want you to write down in the comment section, what is the one thing that is really bothering you, your problem. Please feel free to be as expressive about it as you want. Don't feel shy. Mrs. Diva's entrepreneurs community is a very safe space for sharing. Astha Jain ensures that always. So feel free to share in the comment section. What is the problem you're facing? Is it anxiety? Is it fear? Is it financial worries? Is it depression? Is it a bad memory that's troubling you? Could be absolutely anything. Is it failure? Are you just feeling sad? Please feel free to let me know in the comment section. What is the problem that you are facing? Just one word is also fine. Could be anything. You're struggling with your business. You're struggling with your kids. Maybe you're struggling with your emotions. Maybe financially it's a difficult time for you right now. Maybe it's your husband's career. Maybe it's somebody's health that's worrying you. Maybe it's your health that's worrying you. It could be anything. Maybe you have problems, anything at all. Trust me, the community is so loving and warm that you won't feel shy to share here at all. Okay? Okay, I can see the responses come in. Love it. Okay, I'm going to go with Pooja's response of anxiety. Okay, because I believe most of us are suffering with that. Because I also saw that Neeta says that she has a fear of losing a loved one, which is also anxiety. Anxiety is an emotion which is us living in the future, not in the present, but we're so worried about something that is going to happen tomorrow that we ruin today. Very similar to, okay, Neha's is a different situation, but that's totally okay. Emotional trauma, okay, toxic relations, betrayal from them, great. So now that we have our problem, I'm going to go with anxiety, okay, because that's an over emotion which comes out from all the situations you have mentioned. Thank you for sharing. It really means a lot. Okay, now I want you to rate the level of the problem. Let me know in the chat box problems that you have mentioned on a scale of 1 to 10. What is the intensity that you are feeling? 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest. What is the intensity that you are feeling for the problem? Swati says overthinking. Okay, Swati, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you give that problem? Is it a 10? Is it a 9? Is it a 5? Let me know in the comments. Out of a scale of 1 to 10, what rating would you give to that problem? For me, for anxiety, I would give it a 7. Maybe I'm anxious right now. I just feel like giving it a 7. I want to know from you in the chat box. Out of a scale of 10, how anxious are you feeling? How worried are you feeling? How left out are you feeling? How troubled are you feeling? Just let me know in the chat box. I can see the numbers coming in. Amazing. 9, 7, 7, 8. Great. Keep those numbers noted down. Keep them right there for you. Now we're going to be composing a setup statement. A statement which we will be taking with us through this tapping meditation. So you can keep this statement with you, okay? And the statement for now is going to be, even though I feel anxious, because I chose the emotion of anxiety, even though I feel anxious, I deeply and completely love myself, okay? So I want you to make a statement for yourself, okay? I saw someone said that they are feeling left out, right? So you can say, even though I feel left out, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I feel depressed, I deeply and completely love myself. Even though I feel scared, I deeply and completely love myself. I understand, Isha. Sometimes it happens. It's because of the emotions which are trapped inside your body that you still feel worried. Okay? But now that you've got this statement, we're going to start tapping. I hope you've cleaned your hands, got your face also washed. We're going to start with the karate chop point right here. Okay? And we're going to state the statement 3 times. I'm going with anxiety for now. You can say it with whichever problem that you are facing. Okay? Repeat after me. You can say it out loud or you can say it in your head. If you are in a situation where there are many people around you, you can say it in your mind as well. Okay? Let's do this together. Even though I feel anxious, I deeply and completely love myself. Even though I feel anxious, I deeply and completely love myself. Even though I feel anxious, I deeply and completely love myself. Now we're going to take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Okay, let's keep both our feet on the ground. Let's keep it grounded. Kasturi, if you're feeling that you hear an echo, you can leave the live video and join back in. Maybe it will be clearer then. Alright? Okay, so that we've said our setup statement, we're going to start tapping. You can follow me. I will go slow. Okay? My emotion is anxiety. You can repeat after me. Be careful, look at my fingers. Sometimes I use 4 fingers for the larger areas like the collarbone, under the armpit or my head. And sometimes I use 2 fingers for my eyebrows, for next to my eye, under my nose, under my chin, on my chin, I would use 2 points. Okay? 2 fingers. Notice, ladies, I'm not using my nails. I'm using my fingertips. If you have long nails, I would advise you to do it after you've cut them. I know we don't like cutting our nails, but try to use your fingertips when you're doing this activity and not your nails. Okay? The pressure that you're going to apply, don't make it too hard. Okay? Just when you're checking if a watermelon maybe is ripe, you know, when you do the amount of pressure you apply, that's the same amount of pressure you have to apply when you're doing it on your various points. And we're going to start from top to down and then back to the top. Okay? So tap with me. I'm going to guide you through this. Don't worry about it. Let's start with the eyebrow point. I'm worried about what's going to happen next. I just can't focus. Side of the eye, under the eye. I'm so nervous about everything. Under the nose. I don't know if anyone can tell, but it's terrible. At your chin, so anxious all the time. Collarbone, I can't seem to calm down. Under your arm, I just don't know what to do. On your head, I'm so anxious. Eyebrow, this anxiety is killing me. Side of the eye, I want to stop worrying. Under the eye, but I can't stop thinking about it. Under the nose, what is going to happen? On your chin, everything might be wrong. Collarbone, what can I do? Arm, under the arm, I don't want to feel this anymore. Top of your head, I don't want to feel anxious. Okay. Let's stay in the moment. Let's take a deep breath in. Breathe out. I want you to focus on the problem. If you're feeling anxiety, depression, trouble in your finances, uncertainty, fear, failure, not able to handle your emotions, whatever the problem is, just focus on it. Think about the problem. From a scale of 1 to 10, let me know in the comments how are you feeling right now. Where 1 is the lowest, that means you're feeling really good, and 10 is the highest. That means the problem is still existing and it's really troubling you. From a scale of 1 to 10, let me know. Neeta, it doesn't matter what hand you tap with. As long as you tap on the points correctly, it's totally okay. Right or left, it's totally fine. I want to know whether you're still feeling that emotion. What is the intensity now? I want you to focus on the problem. Okay, Neeta says it's 8. I want you to focus on the problem. If your intensity is still above 2, okay, then we're going to keep tapping. But we might change our statement now. So Neeta, you mentioned earlier, much lesser? That's amazing. I'm so glad. Okay, that's amazing. Okay. Neeta was feeling a fear of losing her loved one. Okay. So now we're going to change our setup statement from even though I feel this anxiety, I deeply and completely love myself. We're going to change it and say, even though there is some anxiety left, I deeply and completely accept myself. Oh, Neeta, if you're feeling good, you have to give it a lower rating. If you're still having a problem, if you're still feeling the negative emotion, you will give it a higher rating, okay, towards the 10s. And if you're feeling better, if the intensity of the problem has reduced, you would give it a lower rating. So my anxiety seems to have reduced a little bit. If you're feeling the same way, give it a lower rating. I would probably from 7 I would feel I'm on a 5 now. I'm much lesser, but we're going to keep tapping because I want to really reduce the anxiety. I want you to feel much more lighter. So we're going to keep tapping once again, and we're going to change our setup statement a little bit, and we're going to say our problem is feeling much lighter. So I'm going to say a different statement now. Even though I've some remaining, I deeply and completely love myself. Let's say it 3 times on the karate chop point with my 4 fingers. Even though I have some anxiety, I deeply and completely love myself. Even though I have some anxiety, I deeply and completely love myself. Let's start again from the eyebrow point, but now it's going to be much more fun because we're going to be using some positive statements instead of the negative ones we used earlier. Let's start with the eyebrow point. Things are going to feel much easier now. Side of the eye. I can handle everything on my path. Under the eye. There's no need to worry. I am calm. Under the nose. I am so calm. Chin. I can feel the stillness inside me. Collarbone. I'm going to let it direct everything I do. Under the arm. This is the start of a new phase. Top of your head. I have faith in my ability to change. Eyebrow point. I am joyful about these positive changes. Side of the eye. I enjoy the calm and peace that I have. Under the eye. I love the person that I am. Under the nose. I am becoming a more relaxed and joyful person. And chin. Everything is fine. Collarbone. Everything is all right. Under the arm. I am a loving being. Top of your head. I am a joyful being. Yes, Neeta, you can use different points for different hands, different points you can. But I would recommend it's just one hand because the energy is going from your hand to the different points. Okay? That was the end of our first tapping session. Please let me know in the comments what is the level of intensity that you are feeling. I'm feeling much lighter now. If the intensity of the emotion has reduced, please give it a rating which is lesser in number. From 1 to 10, give it a lesser rating. If it is the same, you can still give it the same rating, no problem. You can keep repeating the tapping till you feel much better. I'm so happy for you, Kasturi. I'm so happy to hear that. Please let us know on a scale of 1 to 10, how are you feeling? Please let me know in the comment section. Are you feeling better? Are you feeling a good tingly feeling? Are you feeling joyful? Are you feeling warm? That's amazing. Wow, I can see amazing numbers. Oh, Isha, that's so sweet. Okay, and now it's time for the surprise. I know of this app on Google Play Store which is called the tapping solution, and it has all of these amazing guided tapping meditations available, but it has a premium membership that you need. But I have a code for all of you, which is going to give you that premium membership for free for the next 6 months. Can you imagine? You're going to get it for free for the next 6 months. And I want all of you to feel this super high vibe and amazing energy. So please drop your emails in the comment section right now, and I'm going to send that link to you so that you can also access the premium membership for 6 months. I want all of you beautiful women to benefit from this, from whichever part of the world you've tuned in. I am so grateful for this beautiful energy exchange. So grateful all of you have taken your time out, 30 minutes, and have come and joined us for this lovely session. Thanks to Asta Jain, who has allowed me to be here, who's given me this beautiful opportunity. Thanks to Mrs. Diva's Women Entrepreneurs community for this beautiful community of women entrepreneurs striving every single day to spread this message. If you missed it, don't worry. It's going to be available on the YouTube channel in the next 1 to 2 days. But for now, just drop your emails in the comment section so that I can send you the code for the premium membership for the tapping solution. The app is called the Tapping Solution, so that you can tap on your own as well. Tapping is said to have cured a lot of problems, from bad memories to negative emotions to sadness to depression. But if it's some extreme emotions and extreme problems like obesity, alcoholism, addiction, I would suggest you follow your doctor's prescription. So I am so grateful I could be here, and I have to go now because I have another class with small kids. I am teaching them communication skills and acting. So I have to head now. I'm so sorry, but it was amazing connecting with all of you. Please keep dropping your emails even after the session is over. Lots of love to you, and take care.